Hey, my name's Matt Glickman, and I'm the owner of Think Fitness Life, which is an online training platform geared at helping busy professionals stay strong and healthy with weight training, conditioning, nutrition, and recovery systems. And we help the general public, but typically we work best with busy individuals, whether the CEO of the household or CEO of a company, just people who have a lot on their plate and don't have the time to invest in themselves, unfortunately. So that's where we step in. So before I started working with Gavin, nothing was automated, and I was kind of running the ship, so to speak, in every corner of the company. So if we had sales, marketing, operations, and product service, I was doing all four of those, and he helped me just free up my time and be more organized with my organization and system. And the biggest thing we achieved together was all the processes around appropriately hiring a VA, appropriately training a VA, and getting a system going on where we're collecting and building out lists through outreach messages. And that was the biggest win for me because it freed up my time that I was spending in the sales and marketing side and allowed me to focus on more of the operations and product side of everything, which is where I love to work, because that's what's bringing in the new content and the new information, the new data, and the new science, and incorporating in a way that reaches out to people and touches people in a way that helps them be better at taking care of themselves, take care of the people around them. And I think the biggest wins was just, again, automating the outreach messaging system and building out those lists, booking sales calls just through the automation side of things, and seeing that, wow, I can free up my time and spend it on like the content side of things and more of the the enjoyable parts of the organization. So that was a huge win for me, just to prove that I can leave the steering wheel for a second, and the plane's not going to nosedive, and I can still work on other things. If you're on the fence with working with Gavin, I'd say jump in and do it, because it was so eye-opening. I went in to just automate a few things and free up my time, and I learned so much about the process and the different systems that I could be automating and the ways to use technology and the services that are around today in the 21st century to make my life easier and be as effective as an online trainer as I can be. So jump in, do it. And thanks again, Gavin. Appreciate all your help. Much love.